Hello, Wise Money Hero. Welcome back to TalkToOma.com, our fourth series of the magic of Wealth Wizard. Have you ever felt like each paycheck is a fast-moving train in the night, never slowing down to let you on? Does your student loan feel like it's holding you back? Don't worry. Imagine the thrill you'll feel when you break free from all the chains, the vehicle slows, and you are in the driver's seat. And that's our destination, total exhilaration. Today's adventure takes us towards the clear water of Money Smart. We will find ways to lessen the burden of student loans. We can feel the weight, all right, but let's envisage a day when that weight simply vanished. What a joyful feeling that would be. Your practical homework today is to compile all your debt details into one place. Credit cards, bills, or that perpetual student loans too. This way, you have a clear enemy in sight. You cannot defeat the dragon without knowing its size. Once we know it, we'll devise a strategy to eradicate it. If you want more help, check out our step-by-step dollar and cents course when we walk you through the entire journey. And here is the light-hearted joke for the day. Why don't we ever tell secrets on a farm? Because the potato have eyes, the corn has ears, and the beanstalk. So, grab your free monthly guide below. It's always jam-packed with tips and actionable steps to help you build strong money muscles, putting you in the winner's seat with a strong community of like-minded friends around you, all working towards the same goal of building wealth together. Remember to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and leave your questions and share your triumph in the comment section below. We read every one of them. Now stay strong, save smart, and we'll see you in the next video.